Electric vehicles are no longer just part of the future, they are becoming our reality. But what's coming next is far more advanced than anything we've seen before. In this video, we explore the most exciting electric cars expected to hit the roads by the year 2030. Concepts that could change transportation forever. Toyota is preparing for a completely different type of electric future. Designed for crowded cities, the e-Palette is not a car, but an automated urban pod. It can be a taxi by day, a delivery robot by evening, and a mobile shop by night. Built with large sliding doors and flat floors, the e-Palette uses self-driving technology to provide transportation and services all at once. Toyota believes that in 2030, mobility will be less about the vehicle and more about the experience it can deliver.